malamang pati kayo napapapigil hininga. Sa bawat dribble, bantay sarado. Sa bawat sipol, lahat kabado. Lahat nakatutok sa TV, pati si Utol ay nakikinood na sa kanto. Si Idol lumari ba na tumira bumitaw? Libo-libo tagahanga sa arena sumigaw. Rebound, biglang baba, biglang tira. Isang bansa, isang liga. Basketball
Lahat po kayo ngayon ay walking na. Walking na namin.
Ayun. Let's go. Maliwanag naman lahat siguro sa both teams. Ang paliwanag ni Rep. Konting angal. Technical. Rep, At ulitin ko lang din ang mga sinabi ni Rep, ha? Tanging Captain Bull or coach lang ang pwedeng magreklamo. Pag ako lang tinatawag si Rep, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Let's go! Once again, ang ating first game, Tres Marias versus Big CS Boys. Let's go! At bago din pala magsimula ang ating game, yung mga nanonood sa ating live viewers sa ating F1BL page, shoutout sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Coach Tico Manchangkaman, let's go! BCS Boys got the first ball possession. Villarreal attacking. Punches it through. 2 points for Villarreal. BCS Boys got the first 2 points. Raimundo to Umali. Umali jacks up a three. No good. Posterior is there for the rebound. Arroyo get the ball, but jump ball. Same ball. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo. Oh no. BCS Boys ball. Villarreal. To see Castillo. Fakes. Castillo. The trifecta. No good. Costillero for the rebound. Costillero. To Umali. Umali will attack. Umali dribbling. Deep pass. Castro got the ball. Castro finding his teammate deep. Raimundo got the ball. Raimundo dribbling. Passes to Umali. Umali to Costillero. Costillero fakes. Oh my goodness. There's a foul. Rep, who's foul? Who's foul, Rep? Foul number 21, first personal foul. First team foul. Second free throw is good. First and yellow. Villarreal to Castillo. Back to Villarreal. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal, the leg is good. 2 points. Tricks up his sleeve. Umali si Renly. Being defended by Villarreal. Umali. Raimundo got the ball. Jackson Madrid, no good. Umali's there for the rebound. Back to Raimundo. 10 seconds to shoot. Raimundo. Coseliero. Coseliero breaks. Traveling violation. Castillo. Surveying the lead. Castillo in attacks. Dribbling. Out of bounds. Umali to Ku. Drop pass to Costelero. Back Umali. Umali for the trifecta. Yes! Umali 3. Castillo being defended by Raimundo. Brings on the ball. Castillo to Castro. Castro fakes. Castro takes the shot. Yes! Castro has his answer on his own. 3-pointer. 2.8 for BCS boys. Ku to Umali. Umali wants the 3 again. Umali 3 again. Villarreal. Dribbling. Jackson Madrid. Yes! Umali. Serenity. Passes to Ku. Jackson Madrid, no good. Arroyo step for the rebound. Second chance opportunity, no good. Villarreal got the ball. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal will attacks. Villarreal lays. Good finish with a lefty move. Umali still. Verdadero got the ball. Verdadero running. Verdadero will attacks. Verdadero. Oops. Number 99, offensive foul. First personal foul. Raimundo Costelero. Umali fakes. Umali spins. Umali fakes again. Umali. No good. Villarreal got the ball. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo lay 2 points. 6-point lead for BCS boys. Official score 14-8. Both teams ready for second 5. Ku surveying the lead. Passes to Umali. Umali attacking. Got fouled. Foul number 21. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Lalabas na agad. Tatampo.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo back to Ku. Jackson Madrid. Yes. 3-pointer for Ku. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo wants to answer that 3. Yes. He has an answer for the 3-pointer. Raimundo to Coseliero. Coseliero to Ku attacking. Foul number 99. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Change foul. Pascual to Yuga. Out of bounds. Dissension on the paint. Dissension. No good. Yuga for the rebound. Yuga passes to Kulpa. Kulpa bringing down the ball. Kulpa Good pass to Carlos. Carlos lays good 2 points. Zapata. Ooh. Good pass at the ball. Good pass to Carlos. Carlos. Easy 2 points. 2-point lead for BCS boys. Official score 17-15. Zapata. Wants that big back down. No good. Carlos. Serenity. Passes to Pascual. Pascual. No good. Gone with the rebound. Passes to Cruz. Cruz. To Zapata. Zapata. To Vicencio. Vicencio at the paint. Vicencio. Reverse makes good 2 points. Culpa. Dribbling on the ball. Surveying the lead. Culpa. What's that long three? No good. Don again for the rebound. Passes to Zapata. Zapata being defended by Culpa. Pass to Cruz. Cruz surveying the lead. Cruz to Don. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal. Culpa again the ball. Pascual to Yuga. Yuga dribbling. Yuga penetrating. Yuga no good. Cruz got the rebound. Passes to Espinosa. Espinosa got fouled. Foul number 0, first personal foul. First team foul. Cruz. Surveying the lead. Cruz. To Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot to Vicencio. Vicencio versus Pascual. Vicencio no good. Carlos for the rebound. Carlos dribbling. Carlos running. Carlos penetrating. Great team by BCS boys. Almasan got the ball. Almasan. Jacks on a 3. No good. Good by step for the rebound. Kick out to Carlos. Carlos for the 3-pointer. No good. Good by again for the rebound. Pascual. Swatted by Vicencio. Vicencio dribbling. Passes to Espinosa. Espinosa back to Vicencio. Vicencio in the paint. Whoa! 2 points for Vicencio. Culpa, dribbling. Passes to Carlos. Carlos fakes. Kick out to Almasan. Almasan, wide open 3. It's good. Yes, 3 points for Almasan. Zapata. Surveying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Vicencio. The foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Vicencio. First free throw no good for Vicencio. Second free throw is good for Vicencio. Culpa to Carlos. Carlos to Pascual. Pascual jumper is good. 2 points. 2.8 for BCS boys. Our official score 22-20. Still in favor of BCS boys. Choose to Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata. Deep pass. But Zapata gonna ball again to Don. Don. No good. Carlos got the ball. Carlos running. Carlos penetrating. No good. Pascual got the ball. No good. Yuga is there. Yes, 2 points with a foul. Foul number 66. First personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Yuga. Bonus figure is good for Yuga. Tres Marias got their first lead on this first quarter. 1 point lead for Tres Marias. Zapata to Cruz. Cruz tries to attack and got fouled. Foul number 7, second personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots for Cruz. First free throw no good for Cruz. Second free throw is good for Cruz. Tie game. Ulpa to Yuga. Yuga surveying the back. Ulpa to Almazan. Almazan, just on the 3. No good. Don is there for the rebound. Passes to Zapata. Zapata to Cruz. Same ball. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Yuga for the rebound. 2v2 situation. Carlos dribbling, waiting for his teammate. Carlos penetrating. Foul number 2. First personal foul. Penalty. Carlos has a chance to make it a 3-point play. Bonus free throw is good for Carlos. 3-point lead for Tres Marias. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Espinosa, 2 points. Great assist by Cruz. End of our first quarter. Start of the second quarter. Villarreal penetrating. Villarreal layup no good but get fouled. First free throw is good for Villarreal. Foul number 28, first personal foul. First team foul. Second free throw no good for Villarreal. Esposiliero got the rebound. Steal by Villarreal. 1v1 situation. Villarreal passes Castro. Yes. 2 points for Castro. Great pass for Villarreal. Almazan surveying the lead. Almazan to Raimundo. Deep pass. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Raimundo jumper. No good. Castillo with the ball. Castillo bringing down the ball. Castillo long three. Yes! 3 points for Castillo. BCS boys got the lead. Raimundo 2 points. Using his big body on the paint. Villarreal, surveying the lead. Villarreal, kick out to Castillo. Castillo, 3-pointer again. No good. Raimundo for the rebound. Raimundo bring down the ball. Big CS boys ball. Villarreal. Praise! Ooh, great break! 2 points for Villarreal. Hello! Uh-oh. Almazan, Torres Auxiliero, Kika to Beltran. Beltran, to Lim. Yes! Hermoli! Rar! Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo, 1-2. But that foul.
Hoy, ano pa yan? Tangina, parang namamasyal.
Foul number 13. First personal foul. Second team foul. Uh-oh, here comes the popo. 2 shots for Castillo. First free throw is good for Castillo. Second free throw is good for Castillo. Almazan, dribbling the ball. Pass to Beltran. To Raimundo, back to Beltran. Beltran, Casapadri. No good. Castillo is there for the rebound. Castillo running. Castillo dribbling. Castillo penetrating. No good. Ooh. Bautista.
Galit na ako sa'yo, yung 5.
3 seconds violation. Oops, tama na yan. Masama lang hindi mag-away. Ano saan? Main event ng Villarreal. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Almazan, back to Esos Teliero. Esos Teliero to Raimundo. Raimundo makes. Raimundo, big 2 points for Raimundo. Still a 3-point lead for Big S Boys. Castillo, floater, no good. Hermoli with a rebound, tip pass. Same ball. Timeout, Perez Marias. Our official score 35-32. 3-point lead for Big CS Boys. Time remaining 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Back to the ball game. Shout out, the David Decoy. Esos Teliero bringing on the ball. Esos Teliero king out to Almazan. Almazan, quick 3, no good. Bautista with the rebound. Bautista pass to Beladero. Beladero running. Beladero penetrating. Beladero got fouled. Foul number 6. First personal foul. 13 foul. 2 shots for Verdadero.
Hindi man nakaangat ah. Basketball lang tayo. Oh!
First free throw is good for Verdadero. Second free throw no good for Verdadero. Shiros Teliero to Almazan. Almazan passes to Raimundo. Raimundo surveying the D. Raimundo to Almazan. Almazan! 3-pointers, good! 1 point lead for BGS boys. Villarreal bringing on the ball. Villarreal passes to Castillo. Castillo, 3-pointer, no good.
Bakit ref?
Disconcerting. Doubting, disconcerting. Number 9, one shot.
Technical foul.
Disconcerto daw, pre.
Technical foul number 9.
Hindi, sumigaw ka daw kasi.
Technical free throw for Castillo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Technical free throw no good for Castillo. Official score 36-35, still in favor of BCS boys. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Bernadero. Bernadero will attack. No good.
Oh, amen! Amen, ref! Ref, amen! Eh, amen, amen!
N1 din ah.
Tres Marias ball. Shiro Australiano to Raimundo. Raimundo to Beltran. Beltran, 2-pointer. No good. Bautista with the rebound. Passes to Castillo. Castillo dribbling. Castillo got fouled. Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are ready na second 5. 2 shots for Sid Castillo. First free throw no good for Sid Castillo. Second free throw is good for Sid Castillo. 2-point lead for BCS boys. Almazan being defended by Villarreal. Passes to Shiro Australiano. Shiro Australiano, tip pass. Castro got the ball. Castro, lay, no good. Castillo is there for the second chance opportunity. 2 points for Sid Castillo. 4-point lead for BCS boys. Verdadero get the ball. Verdadero, lay. And 1. Foul number 6. Third personal foul. Penalty. Both teams change wide. Bonus free throw for Verdadero. Change 5, change 5. Bonus free throw is good for Verdadero. Change 5. Carlos Trino the ball. Carlos to Arroyo. Arroyo, Jackson at 3. Ninong no good. Zapata to Vicencio. Vicencio on the paint. Versus Castellero. Vicencio reverse lane, no good but got fouled. Foul number 61. First personal foul. Penalty. First Free throw no good for Vicencio. Second free throw no good for Vicencio. Carlos, survey the passes to Arroyo. Turn over. Big yes for points. Samantha. Kick out to Cruz. Cruz no good. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty po. Penalty. 2 shots for Vicencio. Penalty. First free throw is good for Vicencio. Second free throw no good for Vicencio. Two. Costeliero versus Vicencio. Kick out to Ku taps on a three. No good. Arroyo with the rebound. Arroyo fakes. Arroyo. No good. Vicencio with the rebound. Vicencio. Tip pass. Ku get the ball. Passes to Carlos. Carlos stop and shot. 3-pointer. Carlos. No good. Costeliero. Umilaw daw. Big CS boys ball. Cruz bringing down the ball. Cruz. There's Espinosa back to Cruz. Cruz kick out to Zapata. Zapata to Don. Corner three. No good. Costeliero with the rebound. Tape. Don get the ball. Passes to Zapata to Vicencio. Vicencio. 1, 2. Lay. No good but got fouled. Foul number 15. Second personal foul. Penalty. First free throw no good for Vicencio. Second free throw is good for Vicencio. Carlos bringing the ball. Our official score 43-35, still in favor of Big CS boys. Carlos to Ku, 14 seconds to shoot. Big CS boys ball. Cruz to Zapata. Robin Zapata. Kalabaw kasob. 2 points. Grabe si Sob. 10-point lead for Big CS boys. Carlos to Arroyo. Wide open 3-pointer. No good. Carlos with the rebound. Put back. No good but gets fouled. Foul number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Carlos. First free throw is good for Carlos. Second free throw good for Carlos. Costeliero got a rebound. Passes to Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. Costeliero versus Robin Zapata. Costeliero. No good. Robin Zapata got a rebound. Robin Zapata running. Robin Zapata. Long three. Bang bang. Carlos independent at Cruz. Foul number 66.
Madadada.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Carlos to Ku. 10 seconds to shoot. Kick out. To Arroyo, passes to Posteliero. Jumper, yes. Harold Posteliero. 10-point lead for BGS Boys. Espinosa. Bang. Hooray. To Carlos. Carlos was to answer back. Yes. 3 points for Carlos. Cruz to Zapata. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata to Espinosa. Passes to Don. Zapata. Pass number 3. No good. Arroyo got the ball. Arroyo to Koo. Koo. Turn over. Cruz bring on the ball. Cruz to Zapata. Tipped. Posteliero got the ball. Foul number 29, second personal foul. 13 foul. Carlos surveyed it. Carlos to Koo. Koo, wide open, 3-pointer, no good. Cruz got a rebound, passes to Zapata. Zapata to Espinosa. Espinosa frees. Espinosa, no good. Great there. Carlos being defended by Zapata. Carlos running. Carlos to Koo. Turn over. Still a 10-point lead for Big Yes Boys. Our official score 51-41. Zapata to Vicencio. Vicencio on the paint. Vicencio no good. Posteliero got the rebound. Posteliero to Carlos. 2v2 situation. Carlos stopping shot. Carlos, yes! 3 for Carlos. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Posteliero on the paint. Posteliero. Reverse lays. Good 2 points. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Zapata. No good. 5 seconds. Tosser. 3-pointer for Carlos. Bang. Our official score 51-49. Still in favor of Big Yes Boys.
Isa na lang, isa
Once again, shout out sa ating mga sponsors. Let's go. Thank you so much sa inyo. I love you all. Culpa, Cervanity. Culpa, Supu, Costelero. Block by Castillo. Verdadero de Villarreal. Villarreal. 2 points for Villarreal. Uh-oh. Culpa to Pascual. Pascual does have a green, no good. Great hustle by Castillo, but couldn't get the ball. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 2. Costeliero. 10 seconds to shoot. Costeliero got her out good. Espinosa with the rebound. Espinosa to Villarreal. Villarreal bringing on the ball. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo was that quick three. Gets the quick three. Castillo. Culpa to Yuga. Yuga, Costeliero, 14 seconds to shoot. Costeliero on the paint. Costeliero, no good. Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero to Castillo. Castillo, ayan na nagiliparan na. 2 points with a foul. Castillo has a chance to make it a 3-point play. Foul number 61. Second personal foul. First team foul. Gosh, free throw is good for Castillo. Culpa. Kick out to Pascual. Pascual with attacks. Great D by Zapata to Poo. 10 seconds to shoot. Costeliero on the paint. Costeliero. No good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero running. Verdadero to Villarreal. Back to Verdadero to Villarreal again. Tres Marias ball. Culpa running. Culpa to Pascual. Pascual jacks up a 3. 3 points for Pascual. Espinosa being defended by Culpa. Passes to Zapata back to Villarreal. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal nutmeg. Foul number 0. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Carlos in. Yuga out. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Zapata to Verdadero. Verdadero will penetrate the great D by Costeliero. Same ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo from downtown. No good. Costeliero with the rebound. Passes to Culpa to Pascual. Pascual to Carlos. Carlos! No good. BCS boys ball.
Gumipit tayo.
14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo. No good. Pascual got the ball. Foul number 30. First personal foul. First team foul. Carlos. To Pascual. Pascual. Yes! Pascual. Three. 4.8 for BTS boys. Our official score 59-55. Time remaining 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Villarreal. Kick out to Zapata. Wide open to Boyer. Yes! Sob! Grabe ka na. Uh-oh. Carlos. Lefty move no good. Who is there? Second chance opportunity is good. With a foul. Foul number 99. Third personal foul number 99. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for two. Bonus free throw is good for two. Villarreal hindi prende per culpa. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal kick out to Espinosa. Espinosa 2-pointer no good. Who is there for the rebound? Who? Got foul. Foul number 68. First personal foul. 13 foul. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Pascual blocked by Castillo, but Pascual got the ball again. 2.8 for BTS boys. Castillo surveying the deep passes to Zapata. Zapata long three. Zapata three. Culpa just at the three. Okay. Peredero to Villarreal. Villarreal. Ooh. Foul number 0. Third personal foul number 0. 13 foul. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Castillo to Villarreal. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Zapata. Zapata step back three. Whoa! Three by Zapata. Umi-step up si Sob. Pascual. No good. Quick step on the rebound. Whoa! Yes! 2 points. Castillo surveying the deep. Castillo. No good. Pascual got the rebound. Pascual bringing down the ball. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Big CS boys. Seconds to shoot. Carlos. Step back, 3-pointer. No good. Big CS boys ball. Substitution. Verdadero on the move. Pass to Vicencio. 2 points. Pascual, he even if Zapata passes to Ku. Ku to Mali. Jackson three, no good. Castillo with the rebound. Passes to Villarreal. Villarreal will run. Villarreal will penetrate kick out to Castillo. Face Castillo. Wide open three-pointer, no good. Villarreal is there for the rebound. Villarreal, 2 points with a foul. Villarreal with a chance to make it a 3-point play. Timeout to Res Marias. BCS Boss is still has a control of this game. What a game. Rar. Foul number. Official score 73-62. Still in favor of BCS Boys. Foul number 21. First personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty. Bonus free throw is good for Villarreal. By the way, for our next game, Paok Loting versus Spring Asia Warriors. Umali to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Keep pass. Same body. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Ku to Carlos. Carlos, that's a three. Carlos three. Yes. It's raining threes. Villarreal. Whoa. Villarreal spins. Whoa. What a pass. What a move. Vicencio 2 points. Pinastos. Carlos serving the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos stopping shot. Level 8. Three is good. Carlos. Villarreal surveying the lead. Kick out to Castillo. Castillo answers back. Oh no! Out of bounds. Ref's decision out of bounds. Umilaw ang new shoes ni Idol. Pascual. Long three, Pascual. Pascual, no good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero ng Villarreal. Villarreal dribbling. Still by Esteliero. Pass to Ku. Ku to Carlos. Carlos for the trifecta. No good. Villarreal get the ball. Villarreal to Castillo. No good. Pascual with the rebound. Oh. Foul number 68. Second personal foul. Penalty po tayo. 2 shots for Pascual. First free throw is good for Pascual. Both free throws are good for Pascual. Zapata being defended by Omali. 14 seconds to shoot. Zapata, long no good. Verdadero got the ball. Verdadero spins. Verdadero no good. Vicencio is there for the rebound. Vicencio blocked by Esteliero, but got fouled.
Tangis sa mga
Who's foul? Who's foul, ref? Foul number 12. First personal foul. Penalty. First free throw no good for Vicencio. Second free throw no good for Vicencio. Pascual running. Pascual penetrating. Pascual got fouled. Foul number 99, fourth personal foul. Penalty. Two shots for Pascual.
Hindi mo ba nagawa? Sige na. Apat na.
Second free throw is good for Pascual. Our official score is 76-71. Still in favor of Big Says Boys. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Zapata fake. Zapata step back to Reno good. Vicencio is there for the second chance opportunity. 2 points. Umali, jumper, yes! Umali, 2 points. Zapata to Vicencio. Vicencio, 1-2, no good. Vicencio get a rebound again. Vicencio versus Pascual versus everyone. Vicencio. Tres Marias ball. 39.1 seconds remaining.
Ay, huwag kang talon ng talon.
So baby, passes to Pascual. Pascual! Bang! Great! 2-point lead for BCS Boys. 15 seconds. Umay to Pascual. Oh, Pascual. Carlos no good. 3 seconds. Carlos no good. End of the third quarter. Maipapantay na sana na idakdak pa. Agay, oo.
Dinilaan mo nga kanina eh. Okay lang eh, wala rin warning eh. Hindi, on the game yun. Hindi, on the game yun, di ba? Dead ball nyo nga yung kanina eh. Wala,
Oops, tama na yan. Masama na nakikipag-away. Villarreal being defended by Omali. Villarreal get the ball again. Villarreal penetrates. Villarreal, 2 points.
Kaya, paapat yan, paapat.
Carlos surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos, kick out to Umali. Umali! Hooray! Still a 1-point game, our BCS boys. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo no good. Cool got the rebound. Umali. Dribbling. Umali to Carlos. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos long three. No good. Cool for the 2 points. Tres Marias got the lead on the fourth quarter. Their first lead. Official score 81-18. Castillo. Ayun na, nag-drive 2 points. Castillo. Seconds to shoot. Umali surveying the D. Umali being defended by Bastista. 10 seconds to shoot. Umali. No. Villarreal get the ball. Foul number 23. First personal foul for number 23. Villarreal to Bautista, back to Villarreal. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal. No good. Costillero. That's foul. Foul number 5. First personal foul. "21 seconds on the shot clock." Pascual. Great move. 2 points for Pascual. Castillo surveying the lead. Castillo dribbling. Castillo. Long three. No good. Carlos got the rebound. Carlos running. Foul number 2. Third personal foul. Timeout. BCS boys. Hello. Tres Marias got their second lead, 83-82, our official score. Time remaining 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Back to the ball game. Big pass. BCS boys ball. Zapata to Vicencio. Vicencio will penetrate. Vicencio, 2 points. Lays good. Carlos dribbling the ball. Surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 29. Third personal foul. 13 foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos jumper. No good. Who is there for the rebound? 10 seconds to shoot. Costellero. 2 points with a foul.
Yun ang mga kapasok ko eh po. Apat na
Foul number 2, fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. One speed no good for Vicencio. Oh, sorry, Costellero. Villarreal, Chapedi. Foul number 0, fourth personal foul. Second team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Villarreal spins. Villarreal lays good 2 points. Official score 86-85. 1 point lead for Big CS Boys. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Carlos will penetrate. Foul number 68. Third personal foul. Penalty. First free throw no good for Carlos. Both free throws no good for Carlos. Seconds to shoot. Villarreal to Castillo. Castillo long three. Bang! Castillo through. 4-point lead for Big CS Boys. Cool pass for Bang Daddy. 14 seconds to shoot. Cool pa. Tip pass. Costellero got the ball. Costellero. No. Great D by Big CS Boys. Villarreal will penetrate. Villarreal left him move no good. Carlos for the rebound. Carlos running. To Pascual. Jackson Madrid no good. Verdadero got the rebound. Verdadero to Castillo. Castillo being defended by Pascual. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo, no good. Vicencio, no good. Castillo for the rebound again. 3 seconds. Castillo, no good. Vicencio fakes. Vicencio, no good. Carlos got the rebound. Carlos, too cool. Jackson Madrid, no good. Once again for our next game for Ox Loading versus Spin Asia Lord Warriors. Shout out Bestie. Villarreal being defended by Mali. 14 seconds to shoot. Villarreal dribbling. Villarreal long three. Whoa! Villarreal got fouled. Foul number 23. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 3 shots for Villarreal. First free throw is good for Villarreal. Second free throw is good for Villarreal. for Villarreal. Umali will penetrate. No good. Verdadero with the rebound. Verdadero running. Verdadero will penetrate. Passes to Vicencio. Vicencio makes Vicencio. 2 points. With a foul. Sorry, ref. Who's foul again, ref? Foul number 61, third personal foul. Bonus leader is good for Vicencio. Warning for penalty, Tres Marias. Carlos serving the lead, passes to Crew. Crew penetrating. Crew, no good. Vicencio for the rebound. Vicencio to Villarreal, passes to Castillo. Castillo to Verdadero. Verdadero speeds. Verdadero no good. Umali with the rebound. Umali to Carlos. Carlos, Casa Madrid. Carlos no good. Umali with the rebound. Sama na Verdadero. Open lane Verdadero. 2 points. Timeout called for Tres Marias. Our official score, 96-85. 11-point lead for Big CS Boys. Carlos, surveying the D. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos being defended with Verdadero. 10 seconds to shoot. Carlos to Pascual. Pascual, quick 3. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. Penalty. Rep. 2 shots. 3 shots for Pascual. First free throw no good for Pascual. Second free throw is good for Pascual. Third free throw is good for Pascual. 2 out of 1 free throw shooting. Zapata being defended by Cruz. Zapata takes the three-pointer. No good. Carlos is there for the rebound. Carlos running. Carlos to Pascual. Pascual. 2 points. Foul number 68. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Pascual. Bonus free throw is good for Pascual. 6-point lead for Big CS Boys. Our official score 96-90. Castillo being defended by Carlos. Passes to Vicencio. Vicencio versus Castellano. Vicencio no good. Pascual with the rebound. Time remaining 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Carlos to Pascual. Pascual, 2 points. Castillo penetrates. Good D. Vicencio is there for the rebound. Reverse lays. Good for Vicencio. 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Ten seconds to shoot. 2 penetrating passes to Costeliero. Costeliero. 2 points. Villarreal to Verdadero. Verdadero will penetrate. 2-point no good, but get fouled. Foul number 8, first personal foul. Both teams penalty. Two shots for Verdadero. First free throw is good for Verdadero. Both free throws are good for Verdadero. Our official score 100 to 94. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Carlos being defended by Zapata. Carlos surveying the lead. 14 seconds to shoot. Carlos kick out to Yuga to go to Pascual. 10 seconds to shoot. Pascual. 1, 2, Pascual. Yes! Great move, 2 points. Castillo being defended by Carlos. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo got the ball. Pass to Vicencio. Back to Castillo. 5 seconds to shoot. Castillo for the try. Vecta no good. Pascual with the rebound. Costeliero will penetrate. Costeliero. 2 points. What a matchup. Our official score 100 to 98. Still at the point for Big CS boys. What will happen? Will Tres Marias get the W or Big CS boys will take control of this game? Uh-oh. Both teams, isa na lang team po pala ang inyong timeout. Both teams, isa na lang po ang inyong timeout. Both teams, penalty po ha. Time remaining natin, 46.7 seconds remaining. Castillo Villarreal being double team. Steal by Carlos. Carlos top a shot. Carlos, no good. Yuga by the rebound. Yuga, 2 points. Tie game. Castillo to Zapata. 14 seconds. Steal by Yuga. Yuga will attack. Yuga, 2 points. Timeout. BCS boys. Oh my goodness. What the hell on earth is happening? David Decoy. Shout out sa iyo. versus Phoenicia Road Warriors. May nagpapa-shoutout din, Janus Malarte sa live stream. Shoutout sa'yo. 15.4 seconds remaining. Pasok po sa bench. Pasok po kayo ng bench nyo. Who's foul? Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Penalty, penalty. Who's foul rep? Foul number 29, fourth personal foul. Penalty. 8.9 seconds remaining on the clock. First free throw no good for Carlos. Pasok po tayo. Madadagdigan po kayo dyan.
Teka lang, kakusabi ko referee.
Madadagdigan po kayo dyan. Hindi po yung dead ball. Second free throw is good for Carlos. Villarreal running. Same ball. Same ball. Upo po kayo. Des Marias. Bench ng Des Marias. Upo po. Bench ng Des Marias. Upo po. 2.9 seconds remaining. Castillo. Tres Marias took the W. Finals bound, Tres Marias. Magkita-kita po tayo sa